Hi, I'm Jennifer Tardy, owner of Eating for Healing, Nutrition, and Wellness. And as a certified holistic nutritionist and integrative health coach, I'm always researching the safest and most effective solutions for my clients. Recently, I've been deepening my knowledge by studying under leading medical experts like Dr. Greger and Dr. Furman, staying up to date with the latest research in nutrition and health. So today I wanted to share some critical information about the hidden risks of GLP-1 weight loss drugs, such as Ozempic, Wegovy, and Mounjaro, among others. And after hearing Dr. Greger and Dr. Furman discuss studies and concerns surrounding these medications, I decided to investigate further. And what I found is truly alarming. In 2013, that's about 12 years ago, the British Medical Journal, the BMJ, published multiple investigations exposing serious concerns about GLP-1 drugs, including suppressed safety data that had never been fully disclosed. What they found was 100% of studied pancreases had abnormalities. Now, researchers examined pancreases from organ donors who had been taken GLP-1 drugs for at least 1 year. And every single pancreas showed abnormalities, including enlargement, precancerous dysplasia, and even small tumors. They also uncovered suppressed safety data. The BMJ uncovered unpublished data showing significant pancreatic damage in both animal and human studies. Clinical trials reported acute cases of pancreatitis, yet this information wasn't fully disclosed to patients or doctors. They also found evidence of the three monkeys paradigm. So the BMJ described how pharmaceutical companies suppress, ignore, or downplayed safety concerns to avoid liability. This see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil approach has left many patients completely uninformed about the true risks of these drugs. So this is some things you need to know. GLP-1 drugs are linked to a range of serious health risks, including thyroid cancer. A 2023 study showed a 52% increased risk of thyroid cancer among users. Now, while thyroid cancer has a 5-year survival rate of 99.9% when caught early, it's still a serious concern. They also found acute pancreatitis. Users of these drugs faced a 9 times higher risk of developing pancreatitis compared to those using older medications. And then bowel obstructions. These drugs slow digestion so much that blockages requiring emergency surgery can occur. But perhaps the most alarming concern is chronic inflammation of the pancreas, which can quietly progress to pancreatic cancer, one of the deadliest cancers, with a 5-year survival rate of only 12.8%. Now, there's been some concerning trends being reported in the UK. Now, recent reports there have shown additional concerns, such as a 40% increase in emergency room visits. There's been a significant rise in ER visits due to complications from these weight loss injections. In Scotland alone recently, at least 16 people were hospitalized due to side effects, including organ failure and septic shock. This was reported in the Times and the Sunday Times. There's been reports of deaths and illnesses, such as linked to 10 deaths and over 7,000 reports of illness in the UK. And other side effects that required 68 patients requiring hospitalizations, such as severe nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Now, health officials over in the UK have issued warnings about the misuse of these drugs for weight loss in non-medical cases, such as for aesthetics, emphasizing serious potential side effects. Now, did you know that GLP-1 drugs carry a black box warning? The FDA's most serious alert for potentially life-threatening risks. And these warnings include thyroid tumors, including cancer, acute pancreatitis, gallbladder disease, bowel obstruction, kidney failure, worsening diabetic eye disease, increased heart rate, and even suicidal thoughts and behaviors. Now, here's the real question. How many of you were told about these risks before being prescribed these medications? Unfortunately, most people aren't informed, and the risks are often downplayed in favor of promises of quick weight loss. Now, the good news is you don't have to take these risks. I offer an all natural GLP-1 activator that provides the same benefits, such as better blood sugar regulation and enhanced satiety without the dangerous side effects. Now, if you're interested in learning more, simply comment activate to get the link, or you can send me a direct message. And if you prefer a more personalized approach, you can book a free call with me to discuss my customized nutrition and wellness programs that's tailored to your unique needs and goals. Now, I'll be sharing upcoming videos covering the latest research to help you make informed decisions about your health and wellness. So follow me to stay up to date with the truth behind the latest health trends and science-backed solutions for long-lasting health and well-being.